playing chicken, baby. We're playing chicken. Oh, I'm just kidding. Let's go. I have some very important news to tell y'all. Yeah, baby. What is up, y'all? It's the legendary Great High Chief Core, aka the Antihero, back at it again. Oh, just another day of working, living, hating my job, but still loving life. You feel me? We got the 360 camera on. It's been cool. I'm still messing around with it, trying to figure some things out. I may or may not post this portion of it, but for sure you guys know I'm gonna have this helmet cam view. I have my mask on because I'm trying to protect my identity. That way, you know, the 360 camera doesn't actually know who I am. If you kind of look at my phone, you'll get what I'm saying. All you get is the hazel eyes. That's it. You feel me? And yeah, man, it's been a great, actually it's been a shit day, but oh my god, it always feels good to get off work. I'll tell you what, man, drop a like if you can relate, for real, for real. Oh, you already know, like, I'm just in a mood. I don't know if y'all saw the last video. That was me riding to work this morning, running late and arriving on time. Oh shit, holy shit. Brother pulled my move. My man pulled my move. We're just leapfrogging today, baby. Gotta be careful, there's rocks over here. Get hit way too often. Man, this bike does anything. Anything you ask, it'll do it. Playing chicken, baby. We're playing chicken. Oh, I'm just kidding. I don't know why that's so funny to me. Oh, maybe because I know I'm wrong. I know I'm wrong. But maybe I'm the anti-hero. I know hero. Skirt, skirt. Let's do it. Woo! I always feel like a cowboy on this road because it's so bumpy. And it's just kind of a good time. You feel like you're on a horse. You feel like you're just riding a horse and that thing is just getting you over the prairie, baby. Oh my goodness, baby. This bike is punching today. She's alive and she's awake. She must be enjoying this 75-degree weather like I am. Oh, it's gonna be a tight turn. Skirt, skirt, skirt. Just a little bit of front brake. A lot of gas. Let's go! I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for tuning in today. This is gonna be another fun, quick one. You know, we're out here riding, mobbing, terrorizing the streets. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, this bike is so perfect. So perfect. Some of y'all might be wondering, like, why I didn't get the MT-09, right? It's so much faster, it's quicker, it's a lot of things, you know? It's basically just a bigger version of this bike. And the reason I didn't is because why would I get the MT-09 and then get the R9? It's the same engine, just a different style of the same bike from the same company. Like, no joke, right? It's like if I got this bike and then I bought the R7. It's like, why, buddy? It's the same bike. So that's pretty much why I wanted something for commuting, chilling, grilling, mobbing, street killing, and then something for just saying, fuck it all, dude. Let's ride, baby. Let's get to the track. Let's learn something new. Plus, this one looks so much better than the MT-09. Let's be real. The MT-07 fucking destroys the MT-09 as far as aesthetics. Literally unmatched. beautiful sunny day. I've never seen that water over there. Can y'all see that? Y'all saw that cop too, but can y'all see that water? Look at that plane. Oh man, it's a lovely day. It's a lovely day. Finally up to 75 degrees. It's supposed to be that way all week long out here in the beautiful sunny state of Texas.
Bitch.
Yeah. Oh shit. There's a cop just chilling on the other side of the road. Not good. We're gonna get out of here and we're gonna apologize if we see him tomorrow. We're gonna get out of here and then apologize if we see him tomorrow. Say, sorry sir, we did not mean it. Say, oops. Moment of truth, baby. Is he coming for us? I got this mask in my mouth and my face. Feel like I'm talking funny. Let me know in the comments below. Am I talking funny? Did my accent switch up on you? Real voice leaked right here. I'm a true Texan cowboy. They call me the modern cowboy. That's the way I live, baby. So hope you're all having a fantastic day, because you deserve it. You deserve it. You beautiful people out there. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. Yep. Yeah, don't be shy about it. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Alright, let's rock. I gotta get some gas. Oh my, what a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. Beautiful. Just snap, crackling, popping, baby. Thank you, lady. Skirt. Alright, now that I have gas, I have some very important news to tell y'all. I decided on a wrap. Honestly, I'm gonna be real with y'all. I went back and forth on this one. Between this one and this one, I went literally back and forth. I was like, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I was like, I like this one, I like this one, I like this one, I like this one. I like put this one in the cart. I was getting ready to buy it, but then I ended up this morning buying this one because it always looks purple, right? Whether it's light purple or kind of like a regular purple, kind of like right here. And this one sometimes looks blue, even though like when it's directly in the sunlight, it is the most pristine, gorgeous, beautiful lavender I've ever seen, with like this yellow kind of sun rayish reflection when it like hits the light. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. But I decided that, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and go with this one because this, like I said, this one's blue. Sometimes it looks great, sometimes on rainy days or whatever. So I went with this one to guarantee that it's purple and we can kind of get the point across as far as visually what we're after. And then I was like, dude, like no matter what, like we can always switch it up, do something different. Damn, I missed the light. Skirt, 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 skirt. So that's the plan for now. We're gonna go ahead and go with the it's called Space Candy Purple. Should be here on Wednesday, and we'll go ahead and get that on there sometime this week. Don't quote me on a timeline. It may be like Wednesday night if I'm feeling up to it. It might be like Saturday morning. It just depends. So, but we'll see. I'll let you know. We'll play it by ear, and then yeah, maybe we're one step closer to completing this build. So in the summer we might try the Purple Lightning. That might have been the one y'all wanted, but literally nobody voted, so nobody told me their opinion. What was I supposed to do other than follow my heart? But it's all good, baby. It's I feel like that's probably something I should have done in the first place anyways. I also bought new grips. They're gonna be domino grips, and they're gonna be colored, or have a color in them. And I guess I'll reveal it, and that way you can kind of see it. You'll think about it, you'll be like, what is he talking about? Why would he do that? But then when you actually see it, you'll be like, okay, now that I see it, it's really nice. But I'm gonna get they're black grips with the pink letters inside. It's like a fuchsia, kind of a fuchsia neon pink almost, but not like an abrasive neon pink. So it's not super neon pink, it's just pink. And yeah, I'm excited for that. And then I have new gloves coming, because I'm sure you guys have noticed this one ripped because of my thick ass hands. So I'll have some new ones coming, but the Alpine Stars is pink, so it'll be kind of sick. So obviously we're going for the purple and pink theme, so that when we're stunting, we're up on one wheel, everybody says, yo, what the hell is that? What is this guy's bike? That is so cool. I'm gonna see what this guy is all about. So that's the plan, baby. I'm just letting you know what we kind of can expect. That should also be here on Wednesday. So we're getting the wrap, the new grips, and then the new gloves on Wednesday. So depending on, you know, the timing of everything and the simplicity of it all, we should have a brand new looking bike, at least same bike, new look. Should be pretty damn cool. Pretty damn cool. But alright, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching and listening to me yapping. It's been a fantastic day. And shoot, man, sorry, I was thinking about them. But yeah, it's been a fantastic quick little ride. I hope you guys enjoyed that. My name is a legendary great High Chief, aka the Antihero. The city needs an anti-hero, and I need something to do, baby. So I'm gonna be out of here. I love ya. Have a great day, and in case I don't see you, have a wonderful afternoon, good evening, and good night. I don't even know the line, okay? I'm sorry. I apologize for still not knowing it. But I'll see y'all. Peace.